So far in this series, we've been talking about Linux. But what if you could actually experience Linux right now without installing anything on your computer? In this video, I'm going to show you two websites you can visit to start experiencing Linux immediately. The first one will help you practice the Linux command line interactively, and the second will let you try out different Linux distributions directly from your browser. So, let me show you. The first website is terminaltutor.com. Here, you can start practicing the Linux command line through interactive lessons. It's very beginner-friendly and walks you through the basics step by step. Terminal Tutor was developed by Nicholas Wenzel, and it's a really great tool for beginners. In fact, before I became comfortable with Linux, I spent some time practicing on Terminal Tutor, and it helped me grasp many important command line concepts. So, if you're just starting out, I highly recommend giving it a try. Now, while Terminal Tutor focuses on the command line, the next website lets you experience a full Linux desktop environment on your own. Visit DistroSea.com. What this site allows you to do is actually boot different Linux distributions directly in your browser. So, if you're curious about how different Linux distros look and feel, you can simply search for one, start it, and explore the environment. Unlike Terminal Tutor, which focuses on the command line, DistroSea gives you a full desktop environment, meaning you can interact with Linux just like you would on a real computer. It's a great way to explore different Linux flavors just for fun or curiosity. By the way, I know in the previous video I said the next one would be about which Linux distro to install, but I thought it would be nice to take a short break from all the theory we've been discussing so far and actually experience Linux a little. Don't worry, in the next video we'll answer that question properly. And that's it for this video. If you'd like to try the websites we mentioned, the links are already in the description below. Give them a try and start experiencing Linux today. And if you're following the Linux expert path, I'll see you in the next one.